Just unloading the last bales from yesterday. Getting quite a big stack over there now. There is the trebuchet. If you want to watch the trebuchet, go onto the Colin Furze YouTube channel. You can see us building it and then testing it and firing washing machines and pulling engines out of cars and firing steel weights through caravans. It's very, very good. Hello and welcome back. Hope you've all been enjoying the drone videos. I'm going to be doing a few more drone videos today because quite enjoy doing them, nice and easy to do as well. So we're here today with Fendt, as we do every year. We're going to go and have a look round at some of their kit they bought this year. So it's a dealer training day, so all the dealers come, or you know, Fendt demonstrator drivers, and then they can come and learn about the new products that have come out the factory. So all this kit here today, majority of it, 90%, it's come straight from Germany, straight off the boat, and it's been dumped straight here. So we're going to go have a go with some of the new kit, which I quite enjoy doing. So we're all just going to go and have a look round of what's down there. We've got the mowers, and I've got a chocolate bar as well, because they bring loads of chocolate and it's fantastic. This is obviously the grass we're going to do. Bit of moody skies today, but we're okay. Whilst they all go and do that, I'm just going to stay here for a minute. So this first bit of kit is the Fendt, is that Tygo 60 MRD. So this is mainly here for a demo, like for people to learn about today, but we wouldn't usually use one of these because this is for what you'd use as a clamp. So we usually wrap the bales up, whereas this you'd have like a big concrete clamp, and this would sort of pick it up, go in there, and then you go and tip it out at the clamp and then roll it in and sheet it over. But that's a different method of what we're doing, but it's here to do for demonstration purposes today. Even though it looks cool, I'll get some pictures of it on the tractor because it looks quite cool soon. So it comes up through this big rotary up here, chucks it all up in here. Can't go out the top because it's got all these, well, they're actually bits of string just to hold it in. And then it's got like it's like a bit like a muck spreader floor, so the whole lot moves when it tips. So it doesn't tip, it actually like walks it all out the back of the machine. And then at the back here, these rotors, it sort of like spreads it all out the back into the clamp, so you don't get loads of like big lumps and stuff. Just can't believe how big this thing is. And trying to take it somewhere must be a nightmare. But never mind. Oh look, I like this as a pin. That is a good pin. Oh God, look at all this. Look, it tells you everything, what you need to know. PTO shaft. Yeah, really, really big. It's got a little conveyor on the back here. I'm not quite sure what that does. I think it's so that it folds round, and then instead of chucking it out the back, you can chuck it to the side a bit. Look at these rotors. Then under here we've got a brand new 718 Vario tractor. Still got all the stickers on and everything, look, all lovely. Right, so the balers. So this, I'm sure this is a 130, let me just double check. 130F, yes. So on the front here, this is where all the net wraps go on all these, and this all spins round, so you don't have to keep loading net wraps up, because that's a real pain. Net wrap or film wrap or whatever. Look, brand new. Paint is still on everything. Ooh. This is the silage wrap. 750 silage wrap it holds 5 along here, 2 in the back and 5 on the other side. Massive tyres as well, and this is called a fixed chamber baler. So this one doesn't have belts, whereas that one next door has belts. I don't know if we can't quite see it, but behind there should be, well, let's have a look up there. So instead of having belts, we've obviously just got like these massive rollers. The only downside about this is you can't really set the height of the bale. It just sort of, well, you might be able to, I'm not really sure, but I've never really used one of these. But if you know, let me know in the comments. It's sort of, the size of the bale is the size of the bale, whereas that machine, with being a belt, you can set whatever size bale you want. So I'm led to believe, sure someone might correct me. Inside you can see all the rollers now, and it's in like a a round shape, so when the bale goes in, it rolls round and round and round and round and round and round. And this is obviously the wrapper unit on the back. So this folds down, bale comes out the back onto here. So as we see on the other videos, we obviously have to bale it and then go along with the wrapper, whereas this is like a combination and you only need one machine. So out the back, wraps it, job done. But obviously it's a lot more expensive. Whereas this machine doesn't have a wrapper on the back. See the difference? Obviously the belt baler, the 160V, has these massive belts in, quite thick as well. And this one only has one roll of net, whereas remember on the other one it's got like a big circle thing that will spin round and feed 3 different ones in if needed. This one, we used it yesterday. It was brand new, but we were the first to use it. Got a little hand wash here. Cleaning your hands. More silage wrap. That's a big chunky bit, isn't it? Let's go and use them. Bend over, boys. Learning about the front mower.
Jason, probably come over. One or 2 turns there. So the one just top one can't take it off. So you can go and learn more time.
Just checking where the knives cut, so we want like about that much. We don't want it too low because don't do the grass very much good.
Updating his YouTube channel, yeah.
Hello there.
Doing it live. I got halfway through. His viewing figures
4 fingers.
4 feet. That's what it is. We're gonna. That is the measurement. 4.
Your top links 5 mil at the front.
4 fingers.
Oh, this is technical. This is. Whilst they're messing about with the rear mower, learning how to set it up and everything, we're going to have a look in the Fendt 211. Look, still got all the covers on the seat, fresh smell of new paint. Put this down. And this, we've got a sunroof and we've got a sun window. Open it there to like that, or if you just move them, it'll open all the way up. So it's like being sat on a tractor with no cab, but we have got a cab. Really nice. Oh, lovely. And this tractor has got the tedder on the back. So if you remember the Massey one, it's exactly the same, apart from it's green. So we'll go and have a go with it. Then out this side, we've got the twin rotor rake, exactly the same, apart from it's green. Another Massey, not getting confused now. Another Fendt tractor with a Cargo 4X75 loader.
Like Mario Kart where you were that
Probably the best part about these days is I designated myself to be in charge of collecting the buffet from the local pub, just so that I could I need to taste it on the way here to make sure that nobody's going to get poisoned. Just helping myself before anyone gets here. I've tested about 4 of them. They seem to be fine. Half a pork pie, that was very nice. Just gonna have a few of these sandwiches because they're very nice. Ah, yes, of course, it hasn't rained for a couple of days. Yes, it's now raining again. Woo! Right, let's get started with this. Unlock hydraulics, so that one there, and they all unlocked, lovely. Right, what does what? Right, air brakes, reverse. So we've got double mower this time. It's raining, but well, it's not raining too bad, luckily. Right, start PTO shafts up. That's the front one, double tap. There she's running. Double tap. So when we go forward, it's quite good having a front mower because you can drive like down the crop. So this one lowers that one down. Which one does what? Well, that lowers the back one. Then this one here lowers the front one. Like that. We're down. We're going to give it some throttle. Can you hear that? Sounds a beauty. Away we go. Satellite is now driving itself, nice straight lines. What a nice view. We're going to go down this big hill. I'll take back control. There we go. Guys, grass is ever so long in the bottom here. Because it's where all the water runs to. Look how much higher that is than the mower. Whew. Massive crop of grass, look. Lovely driving this tractor. I can't believe how long this grass is. What I'm going to do, whilst they're all looking around this machine, I'm going to ask them if I can steal it so I can have a go with that one, because that one looks cool as well. So this is the tedder. I'm just going to start spreading it about. It has just stopped raining. Luckily not too much rain today. Is he going to put it down? Down, down, that's it. If I stand behind it, I'll get covered in grass, which will be great. Oh, just not quite taking that bit there, just want moving over slightly. Oh, he's missing a bit, look. Just had to come inside for a minute, just because it let the rain pass. So we're getting all the balers ready to go this afternoon or later tomorrow. So that'll probably be about it for this video. Starting to go on a bit. Are you going to cereals next week, next Tuesday? If you are, there is a bottom of the screen here. There's a discount code that I've been given to get a few more people to come. So yeah, if you use that, you'll be able to get in half price. Quite a good little show to go to. So I'll be going on Tuesday, I think, or yeah, Tuesday, I think. Yeah. So anyway, see you all soon.